Hey friend, I'm glad you're here. Buddy brought his car over. I'm going to put a map sensor in it. It's got some strange codes that suggest that the temperature from the intake air temperature sensor and the temperature from some other temperature sensor are wildly different. And from what the internet tells me, the other temperature sensor is part of the map sensor. So that's what I'm going to replace today. It's quite available here, although it's tucked a little bit back. You can kind of see it right here. It's just got this harness on it. It's got one little Torx bolt, and then it just comes out. So let's crack to it. I'm also told that it's a T30. So I have a bunch of Torx here. That's a 25, 30. Well, let's see if a 30 fits. Does a 30 fit on here? I don't know if I can get in here. Does the 30 fit? The 30 does not fit. So it's going to be smaller. That's fine. That's why I have a set of them. Let's try a T20. I feel T20-ish today. Oh, I know it's kind of hard to see back here. It's hard for me too. That's a T20. Okay. Take that bolt out of there. I can get this. I'm gonna have to go around this way with this wrench. I know this stupid tube is right in the way. I know, I can't see either. Oh, come on. Let's push it back. How about that? It's okay. Try again. It's not the end of the world. Sometimes the best things, are hard. The car just got here and it's a little warm. Click, click, click. So that's going to take a minute because I don't have a whole lot of swing here, but at least it's not stuck in there and it's not rounding out or anything stupid like that. Push this back again. And tip my head down here so I can see. I can't see. You know what? Let's move on to a different part. I'm going to move on to pulling this connector off. There's this little button here. We press it down. Now the internet also told me that you're supposed to press it down and I'm sorry I'm in the way, that you're supposed to press it down and then push it in a little bit and pull it out. That makes 0 sense to me. Oh, it's a nice little sealed connector. You hear it go pop. Okay, so now, can I even turn this with my fingers? Oh, I can turn this bolt with my fingers. I just need to do it. Or is that the washer? That might be the washer. Maybe I just need to, whoops, wrong wrench. Maybe I just need to get this guy on here. And just turn this with my fingers. That'll work. Of course, my fear, as is always my fear, is that I'm going to drop this screw. It's out. Now I'm going to put this screw somewhere safe where I will not forget it, like right here on the battery. Okay, now this sensor ought to just come right out. It ought to just come right out. Yep, just comes right out. And there it is. Some little electronic module that does something. MAP stands for manifold absolute pressure. And it has to do with the pressure of the air. Imagine this, in the manifold. I find it interesting that this car has both a MAP sensor and a mass airflow sensor. A lot of the times you only have one or the other. But that's where we're at with that. Now we have our new part here. I'm going to open this up. And we're going to compare it to the old one. That looks similar. Bolts in the same place, clips in the same place. Harness connector's the same. Done and done. Let's put it in. This is exactly how easy this job is. It's just, you gotta have room to get back there and do it. It's all room, and it's hard to see. And so there's this little O-ring on there. I don't know if you remember, when it came out, it kind of went, not quite like the harness did, but it did kind of pop out of there. I really want to move this hose, if I could, if that's at all possible. I think I might just have to squeeze that thing down with the screw in order to seat it in there. We'll find out. Get under here. And I am just doing this on memory now because I cannot see a thing. I'm trying very hard to do this so that you can see it too. Okay, in the hole. Am I in the other hole? I think so. I'm just going to take our 220 and get on top of this. There. And then I'm just going to start to screw it in. It's already getting tight, which means I'm going to have to use the wrench, which is fine. And then that screw going down in there will pull that sensor and its giant O-ring into place. Note to self, cars are hot. I know I keep saying we and our. It's because I was just talking to someone about the UR2 CGP gray video from a long time ago. Basically, you have your left hemisphere of your brain and your right hemisphere of your brain. And now I'm not talking about the whole, left brain versus right brain. That's not a thing. What I'm talking about is that people who have, for whatever reason, a severed corpus callosum, which is the giant bundle of nerves that connects the two hemispheres of your brain, it can be very easily demonstrated, and you can go find videos of this, that the two hemispheres of your brain are two different people. They see different things, they think different things. It's super weird. So sometimes when I say we, I'm talking about the royal we, as in me, I am we, you are too. You are also. This is starting to get easier, so I think that seated down there, it kind of got through, and now it's just getting snug. I love the sound of a quality ratchet. Click, click, click. Come on. Come on. It's still going. Oh, the wrench fell off. I can feel it's close. I don't know. It's just my hand's getting tired, and it's in this weird area back here. There it is. There it is. There it is. this is the most difficult part of this, is just the mechanical screw nonsense. It's so weird. Now, this is just like it's not a bolt, right? It's not a machine bolt. It's a screw, which also makes me wonder, is that thing all the way down there? Can I get my fingernail in there? I wonder if it just goes down a certain amount and then stops. I think that's it. I think it's just spinning in there, because I can feel everything is tight together in there. I can't feel any gaps or anything. So we're gonna go with that. All right, plug this back in. Now, where was the push button on this? Right here. Yeah. That push button's on the top. I'm trying. I know my hands are in the way. Sorry. Okay, there's that, and then that just kind of slides in there. Did I do that right? No. Hang on. I have to look closer. Yeah, the button's on the top. Okay. I wonder if I have to press the button at the same time. I wonder if I have to press the button in order to get it on as well. Let me see. Yep, I did. And then we tug it. There. That is a MAP sensor installed in a 2019 Chevy Sonic. It was a lot of ratchet clicking, but it's literally as easy as, here's the part, take the old one out, put the new one in, and it is reachable. You just have to have kind of skinny arms, and if you're doing it on a car that was driven very recently, put a blanket down maybe, so you don't burn yourself on the metal valve cover. Wait, no, that's not. Is this metal or plastic? It might be plastic. I'm told that it might be plastic. It feels like metal. It's hot like metal. Okay, well, again, I am so glad you came. I could have done this by myself, but it is so much more fun when you're here to provide moral support and just hang out. I love it. Come again whenever you want. You're always welcome here. See ya.